Hello everyone. In this course, we are start learning about JavaScript. First of all, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is a language used for front-end design. If you start to learn about the JavaScript concept, you also have some knowledge in HTML and CSS. Let me tell what is HTML. HTML is the skeleton of the body, and CSS is the beautifying component that is skin, muscle, tone of the body. And then the most important thing is JavaScript. It is the brain of the body that should perform actions and functions, and it makes the body more responsive thing. Then if you want to build a complete website, the JavaScript source is very important thing, and it create a dynamic, responsive, and interactive web page. So major browsers use this JavaScript source. Then basic syntax. Okay, here I provide some basic syntax. In our HTML code, we use the JavaScript inside that by using script tag. It has open and close tag. Then variables like const. So these three are similar to declare the value of the variables. So the variables is an old method to declare the value. Then let is the nowadays method to assign the value, and that the value can be changed, use the let value. Then const. Const is also used to assign the value, but the const values or cannot be changed. So I show some example by using let var and const to declare the value of the variables. So I hope that will understand helpful you to understand that. Okay, here I provide a small example where x is equal to 10, console log x plus 5. This line means var means variable x is equal to 10. Then console log. Console log means this is the keyword to get the output used in JavaScript. So, okay, now I'll open my JavaScript folder. I create a file inside that named as script.js. If you want to create any JavaScript file, you should name that file with name.js. So now I start to write my program where x equal to 10, then console log x plus 5. Here I save, and now I open my terminal to run this program. Okay, now my terminal is open. So this is my path of which this is my path of which my folders should be saved. This is my file name JavaScript. So now I just enter a node space my JavaScript file name. So that is I named as script.js. Now we enter. See, the value is 50. This is a simple program to execute. Okay. In this program, first I use the var variable to declare the value. So now I change that var into let. Now I save that and I run this. See, this also values get the 15. Now I change the let into const. Save, run. See, all the three declaration to the variables var, let, and const. These three of the words perform the same thing, but it has a different meanings. Var is an old browser use method. Let is a nowadays method, and if the value has been changed, you use to declare the value at let concept. Then const is used to when the values cannot be changed. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, now see real world application. Um, Most of the people experience this when you or register something or submit some forms. A pop-up message will arise that is like register successfully, submitted successfully, or validation error. These all pop-up messages are created by using a JavaScript. And if you if you create a website by using a JavaScript, the website will be most interactive and the users friendly to use that. Then there are the various development frameworks used in JavaScript. Some of that are React.js, Angular.js, and Vue.js. And these are also used in most of the companies. So, why JavaScript is very important to learn about. Okay, students. In our next chapter, we are going to see the operators concept. So, thank you, students.